Hello guys, in this video we will be installing the Microsoft Power BI desktop version. I specifically choose desktop version because it is more stable compared to other ones. Even from the ones that you install from Microsoft Store, I find it much better and everything is under user control. So I just go for with that Microsoft Power BI. And once you're in Power BI homepage, instead of going there, I go for products, Power BI, and I'll download the desktop version. And from here, if you directly hit on this desktop version, you'll be redirected to the Microsoft Store. Yeah, even that works, but I don't prefer downloading it from Microsoft Store. So I choose advanced download options. From here, once you have been redirected to the my download center, here choose the language of your choice and hit on download. And by default, you will be getting an exe installer and save it in the destination where you want it to be saved, and the local destination, the default location works for me, so I'll just save it over there. And I have a pretty good internet speed, so it should be done in a couple of seconds. Yeah, and it's done. Once it's downloaded, you just click on Power BI Desktop. You launch the installer. Here, choose your language again, hit on next, and whatever the pop-up that comes up, you choose yes and accept to the license agreement. That's basically it to the installation of Power BI Desktop. It takes around 2 to 3 minutes to get it installed if you are running any modern PC or laptop. If in case you are running an older system, it might take more than that. So it depends upon the configuration. I see that it's still under process. Okay, as you can see, the Microsoft Power BI installation is successful, and I'll click on finish and launch the Power BI desktop. So this is how the launch page will be. Once you hit on blank report, this, there are a couple of settings that you can do here, but that will be covered in the next video. Thank you.